Lightheadedness. Main causes. Lightheadedness is a feeling of faintness, dizziness, or being close to passing out. It can occur alongside vertigo, which affects balance and makes a person feel as though they or their surroundings are spinning. Although lightheadedness and vertigo can feel similar, they have different causes. Experiencing some episodes of lightheadedness is normal. In most cases, these episodes will pass quickly, especially if a person sits or lies down or rests. In this video, learn about the common causes of lightheadedness. Causes. The most common cause of lightheadedness is orthostatic hypotension, which is a sudden drop in blood pressure when a person stands up. Positional changes, especially quick ones, divert blood flow temporarily from the brain to the body. It is more likely that this will result in lightheadedness when a person is dehydrated or ill. The feeling usually passes quickly, especially if a person sits down again. Other common causes of lightheadedness include allergies, illnesses such as the cold or flu, altitude sickness, hyperventilating, anxiety, stress, dehydration, prolonged exposure to hot weather, low blood sugar, alcohol, tobacco, or drug use, certain medications. Sometimes lightheadedness may have a more severe underlying cause, such as arrhythmia, heart attack, stroke, shock, inner ear disorders, internal bleeding, blood loss, neurological conditions such as Parkinson's disease and multiple sclerosis, anemia, conditions that affect blood flow, head injuries, eating disorders. If lightheadedness is due to a more serious underlying condition, a person will usually experience additional symptoms. Home remedies. Most of the time, a person experiencing an episode of lightheadedness can manage their symptoms with home remedies and lifestyle changes. A person who is prone to experiencing dizziness or lightheadedness should use the following tips to reduce their risk of falling or fainting. Getting up slowly after sitting or lying down. Drinking lots of water, especially in hot weather or during exercise. Eating or drinking something sugary or with simple carbohydrates when feeling faint. Lying or sitting down until the episode passes. Getting enough sleep. Avoiding caffeine, tobacco, and alcohol. Limiting salt intake. Anyone who thinks that their medication may be causing lightheadedness should speak to a doctor. When to see a doctor. Most people do not need to seek medical attention for an occasional episode of lightheadedness. However, it is essential to seek emergency medical attention for lightheadedness or dizziness when one or more of the following symptoms accompany it. Weakness on one side of the body, facial drooping or numbness, slurred speech, chest pain, pain in the arm, neck, or jaw, sudden severe headache, fainting, numbness or inability to move the arms or legs, vision changes such as double vision, a rapid or irregular heartbeat, seizures, vomiting. A person should also see a doctor immediately if lightheadedness occurs following a head injury.